Hi loves, today is a very special video. I wanted to do a unboxing with you guys. My name is Ciellykitty. I'm cosplaying Ciel today, so you might have figured out what's in this box already. I ordered this off Mercari and I asked the seller to prepare a package for me. So this is my little haul on what I got. So let's open it up. This is my box. It has tons of merchandise in here. It has some tin cans. So I ordered a ton of stuff and I will go through and I'll try to link below where I guess you guys can find this stuff. You can find it on eBay or I think some of the anime stores. So the first item that I got, this is all bubble wrap. So the first item that I got was this Sebastian and Ciel tin. Super cute. I think it's the 2016 version. It's like a little can. It's pretty deep. It could be used for teas, sweets. I'm probably going to use it for sweets knowing me because I love sweets. I can't help myself. The next item that I got was another tin. This is from the Funtom Cafe. I don't know what year this came out. It's roughly the same size as the other can. It has a little dent on it, I think, but you guys can't see that. It's super sleek. So these two are the same size, roughly. And then I got this little one I've never seen this. I don't know. You know what would be funny? I wonder if there's tea in here. Should I open it? Wait, should I open it? Kind of want to see for myself. Wait, is this even open? Or is it just a prop? Wait, I can't tell if this is real or it... I finally got this to come off. So apparently it smells okay. I don't know if it was used for tea. I think there was tea in here and then they took it out, I think. I can kind of see the tea, I think. Anyways, so this is the Earl Grey tea. I don't know if I'm going to keep Earl Grey tea in here or something else. It says a little bit about the... I don't know if it's actually a real company. I'll have to look it up later, but I thought it was super cute. It's tiny compared to the size of these. Okay, and then the next item I got is this little tin. This one comes with chocolate coins, but there were no chocolate coins in this one, unfortunately. Super cute. So this one was the Halloween party. In here, they also gave me a little badge. I don't know which one this one is. I'm pretty sure it's Ciel, but I'm not sure. And then this one is the little baby flags and a little... I can't tell if that's a coffee holder. The coffee cup holder, I think. I'll have to look at it later. I think in here it's... Yeah, so somebody already opened this to make sure it was Ciel, so... I'm pretty sure it is. Oh no, you know. Okay, so this is not Ciel. Ah, dang it. I forget who this character is. It's not Ciel, but that's okay. I'm probably gonna resell it. It's super cute though. And then in here, I specifically, so I'm putting this box down because I can't see anything. I don't even have an eye patch on and I still can't see anything. This was requested. So this is a lot of stuff. So first I got these 2 acrylic stands. This one is the brand new one from G Fantasy. It's super cool. I'll probably do a close-up of all these later. Super huge. This is actually pretty big compared to my other acrylics that I have. And then the next one is this one's from the cafe. So this is the one that I wanted. So I had bought both of these. The seller had a Sebastian one of this one, so I asked if they had a Ciel version, and they said yes. And then I asked about if they could get me this specifically, and they got me this specifically. And then I got a promo poster. Come on. So they got me this little promo poster, super cute. It has what you can get at the bottom. They have little mugs, and I think they have a little tea jar. I would say a little jar, and they have the little bitter rabbits. So that was super cute. This is the back. This one is the G Fantasy 30th anniversary, and it has Ciel and Sebastian on it. On the back. And then I asked about if they could get me this bag because I like collecting bags and I like collecting little merch. Let's see. I don't want to rip it. I think they didn't want to damage it, so they put it in cardboard so that it wouldn't be damaged. And now I'm having like a hard time opening this myself. So this is the bag that it comes with. If you bought some of the merchandise, they would probably give you this bag for free. I forget how much I paid. I think I paid, for this whole set, I think I paid, I want to say close to $150. I think. It was a pretty good deal. Now I can't get the tape. I can't get the tape off. I thought this would be easy tape, and it's not working for me. I don't want to break the bag. I can barely see with my wig on. Okay. Okay, so this is the bag. Pretty cute bag. And then there's nothing on the back, but super cute. Probably gonna save this bag. I'm really sad that I didn't get to go, but that's okay. Maybe I can go next time. So I got, the acrylic stands. I wanted to set these acrylic stands up for you guys. I'm probably gonna do it later because I want to put this as a short, but I will see you loves later.